Hello and welcome to Health and Fitness Center. Today, we're excited to share with you the amazing health benefits of strawberries. These juicy fruits are packed with nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants that can boost your overall well-being. Health benefits of strawberries. 1. Boosts immunity and skin health. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, which strengthens your immune system, promotes wound healing, and supports collagen production for healthy skin. 2. Heart-healthy superfood. Strawberries help lower bad cholesterol, improve blood circulation, and reduce blood pressure, making them an excellent choice for heart health. 3. Supports digestive health. High in dietary fiber, strawberries promote good digestion, prevent constipation, and support gut health. 4. Regulates blood sugar. Despite their natural sweetness, strawberries have a low glycemic index, making them a great choice for people with diabetes. 5. Promotes brain health. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties in strawberries help slow cognitive decline, protect brain cells, and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. 6. Glowing skin and hair. Strawberries contribute to radiant skin and strong hair due to their vitamin C and antioxidants. Strawberries are a nutritious and delicious addition to a healthy lifestyle. With their incredible range of health benefits, they can boost your immunity, support heart and brain health, regulate blood sugar, aid digestion, and contribute to glowing skin and hair. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness videos.